how to use app pinning or pin specific app on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. App pinning feature is helpful if you want to give your phone to your friend or any family member and access only specific application on your device. So let's see first of all how to use app pinning. When you tap on the recent application and tap on app icon, check if app pin option is available or not. If not available, you need to enable it on your device. So let's see how to enable it and use it. Open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to security and privacy, tap on it. Again scroll down, tap on the more security settings. Here you can find the option allow apps to be pinned. So toggle on it and tap on it. Now here app pinning lets you keep just one app on the screen until you unpin it. So let's see how it work. Also enable this option lock phone after unpinning. So you need to unlock your device after unpinning it. Now open the reset application. Select the application icon you want to use as a app pinning. Now here we use my gallery application. Tap on app icon. Now you can see the pin this app. So tap on it. Now app is pin message view on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. Tap on OK. Now you can only access this gallery application on your Samsung device. Very helpful feature. When you try to go back like this, go back. Now to unpin this app, touch and hold the recent and back button at the same time. So you can only access specific one application using this app pinning feature. So very helpful feature. To unpin, go back, touch and hold the recent and back button at the same time. To touch and hold the recent and a back button like this. And now you can see app unpin and lock your device. To use it, you need to unlock it. And now when you try to go back, you can go back and access any application. So very helpful feature, this app pinning on your Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.